In this video, we're going to go over how to set up one-to-many database relationships. In Bubble, we often need to build relationships between data types. Now, in the application that I'm in now, we have a university learning management system which stores student information, and it also stores degree information, such as what degrees are available for enrollment. Each degree could have hundreds or even thousands of students enrolled at any one time at different levels. What we want to do is we want to build a relationship between the student and their degree so we know what degree they are doing and how many people are enrolled in a degree at any one time. Now, there are two ways to do this. We could either store a list of students on the degree itself, like so, or we could store the degree on the student, like so. So which one should we do? The way that we need to think about it is we need to consider the size of the list. So if we were to store a list of students on the degree, it would be a really big list. And that's because there could be thousands of students. As it is too large, we don't want to store it here. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to store the degree on the student itself. What that allows us to do is when we want to display this information on the front end in the database, we can do a search to pull this information out. Now, just on the other hand, just say if our degrees were capped to 20 students, so there could only ever be 20 students in a degree at any one time. What we could actually do is build a two-way relationship. So what we would do is I would go here and I would create students, and then I'd save a list of students. This might help because it would result in simpler expressions when we're displaying or searching for a list as required. But at the same time, as a developer, we need to then remember to create two-way linkage between a degree and also the students. And this can be done using database triggers or back-end workflows just to streamline that process.